Good day, babies! Welcome back to Baby Math Notes. You may try to learn mathematics with the aid of this channel. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for our new notes. So today, we are going to solve partial fractions using the shortcut method. Wow! And that is the cover-up method for case 1.
Wow!
Let us have example number 1. Perform the partial decomposition of 7x minus 25 all over x squared minus 7x plus 12. Kung mapapansin ninyo, binigay ko na itong given na ito dun sa unang video na in-upload ko. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link para mapanood ninyo yung long method natin. Kasi mahalaga pa rin na alam natin kung paano gawin yung long method, okay? So, let us start. Here are the solutions. So, this is the given and this is an example of proper fraction, right? So, as you can see, itong denominator natin, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor out. So, we need to get the factors. Ito yon, x minus 3 times x minus 4. And then, this is the form of our partial decomposition. Since meron tayong dalawang factors, we need to get the sum of the partial fractions natin. So, pinaghiwalay natin yung dalawa. Okay? So, ano ba yung cover-up method? Kapag si A ang hahanapin mo, ayan, tatakluban mo lang or i-cover mo lang yung part ng denominator ni A. So, dito, ito, tingnan nyo to, ang denominator ni A natin ay x minus 3. So, yung part na yun lang ang i-cover mo. Ayan. So, kapag nilagyan mo na yan ng cover, ito na lang numerator, saka itong x minus 4 ang matitira. Pero, ano ba yung isa-substitute natin dun sa x? Ang isa-substitute po natin dyan sa x na yan ay kung ano ba yung number para maging 0 yung denominator ng a natin. And in this case, since x minus 3, so if the value of our x is 3, ito magiging 0 na ito. Okay? So, since 3 ang value ng x natin, isa-substitute lang natin yan dito sa x natin. So, 7 times 3 minus 25 over 3 minus 4. So, ito na lang. Wala na yun. Yung nilagyan natin ng cover, hindi mo na siya isasama. Ito na lang. Okay? So, then solve. 7 times 3 is 21 minus 25 over negative 1. The answer is negative 4 over negative 1. So, therefore, the answer is positive 4. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung A ng ganun kabilis. Next, let us get the value of B. So, ganito na, pareho lang, same process lang. Ano ba yung denominator ng B natin dito? O, x minus 4. O, edi ang lalagyan natin ng cover is yung x minus 4. Now, ano ba yung value ng x to make it 0? We need to substitute 4 for the value of x. Ayan, para maging 0 ito. So, ibig sabihin, yung 4 isa-substitute natin dun sa x natin. And that is 7 times 4 minus 25 over 4 minus 3. Ayan. So, ito, 4 minus 3. Ito, hindi mo na siya isasama kasi may cover siya. And then, solve. Is equal to 28 minus 25 over 1. And that is 3 over 1. Therefore, our final answer is positive 3. Yay! Nakuha na natin ang values ng A and B natin. So, what's next? So, therefore, this is the partial decomposition of the given. Ayan. So, this is the final answer. So, let us have example numbers 2. Perform the partial decomposition of s plus 3 all over s cubed plus 7s squared plus 10s. So, tingnan natin mabuti. Ano bang uri ng fraction yan? So, this is a proper fraction, right? Kasi yung numerator natin, mas mababa yung degree kaysa kay denominator. So, here are the solutions. Kung mapapansin niyo, cube yung given natin. And then, as you can see, meron silang common factor, and that is S. So, ilabas mo muna siya. Yung common sa kanila, dyan sa 3 terms na yan, ilabas mo muna. So, kapag inilagay mo na yan dyan sa labas, ang matitira na lang sa loob ay, eto, pag binawasan mo to ng isang S, ang matitira na lang ay S squared. Ito magiging 7S. Ito magiging 10 na lang. Okay? And then, kapag naisulat mo na yan sa ganyan, tingnan mo mabuti kung factorable ba ito. As you can see, factorable yan. Then, get the factors. Then, we have S plus 2 times S plus 5. So, paano ba yan? Ilang factors ba yung nasa denominator natin? We have 3 factors. That is S, S plus 2, and S plus 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung form ng partial decomposition natin, tatlo rin. Ayan. So, A over S plus B over S plus 2 plus C over S plus 5. So, solving for A, syempre, ano ba yung denominator ng A? So, gagamitin natin ang cover-up method para hindi tayo masyadong mahirapan. So, pag kinover natin yung S, since yun ang denominator ng A natin, ano ba yung value ng S natin? So, that is 0. Okay? So, we are going to substitute 0 to S. Okay? So, gagawin natin tong 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Ito, na-cover natin. Meron siyang cover, so hindi natin siya isasama. And the next, 0 plus 2 is 2. And then 0 plus 5 is 5. So, that is 3 over 10. And that is the value of our A. Okay? Next, let us find the value of B. Ano ba yung denominator ng B natin? So, S plus 2. Yun ang lalagyan natin ng cover. Okay? So, ano ba yung value ng S natin para itong may cover na ito ay maging 0? So, that is negative 2, right? So, we are going to substitute negative 2 here sa mga S natin. So, negative 2 plus 3. And then, itong S natin dito sa labas, negative 2. Ito, hindi na ito kasama kasi meron siyang cover. And then, negative 2 plus 5. Ayan. Then, solve. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Negative 2 times negative 2 plus 5. So, that is 3. So, negative 2 times 3 is 6. Ang numerator natin ay 1. So, that is negative 1 over 6. Okay? So, nakuha na natin ang value ng B. And then, for C, ano ba yung denominator ng C natin dito? S plus 5. O, yun yung lalagyan natin ng cover. O, ano bang value ng S natin para maging 0 ito? So, negative 5. So, we are going to substitute negative 5. Okay? So, negative 5 plus 3. Ito, negative 5. And then, this one, negative 5 plus 2. Ito, hindi na siya kasama kasi meron siyang cover. Ayan. So, solve. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Negative 5, and then itong nasa loob ng parenthesis, ilan yan? That is negative 3. So, therefore, negative 2 over negative 5 times negative 3. And that is negative 2 over, ito, magiging 15 na ito. Positive 15. So, inilagay na natin yung negative symbol natin sa gitna. Okay? So, this is the final answer. So, therefore, in writing the partial fraction of the given, isa-substitute lang natin yan dito. Yan o. Ilalagay lang natin. Papalitan lang natin yan yung values na nakuha natin. So, therefore, the answer is, ayan. Anyway, itong final answer natin, ito, yan o. Itong final answer, pwede naman yan na i-multiply mo na. So, it will become 3 over 10s, and this one is negative or minus 1 over 6 times s plus 2, and this one is also magiging subtract na siya, negative 2 over 15 times s plus 5. Pero ito, acceptable naman na ito na sagot. Okay? So, there are many ways to solve this partial fractions. I think, ito yung madaling paraan para ma-solve ang partial fraction gamit ang cover-up method for case 1. Kung meron kang alam na mas easiest way, you can write in our comment section below.
Thank you.
Great job, babies! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for our new notes. See you on our next Baby Month Notes.